The equivalent capacitance of the combination shown below is find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Here, these 6 and 4 are in parallel. You'll get 10 microfarad. Here, also 6 and 4 are in parallel, so you'll get 10 microfarad. Here, 4 and 6 are in parallel, so you'll get 10 microfarad. Here, 4 and 6 are in parallel, you'll get 10 microfarad. 10, 10 are in series, 5. 10, 10 are in series, 5. So, this 5 in the first branch, you'll get 5. Here, you'll get 5. So, this 5 and 5 are in parallel, again, you'll get 10 microfarad. So, this is the answer. So, here 10, here 10. In each circle, we have 10, 10. So 10 and 10 are in series in the first branch, you will get 5. 10 and in the bottom branch also 10 and 10 are in series, you will get 5. Together they are in parallel, so you will get 10.